Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. In the first step, go to search bar and simply type run. You can also open run with your keyboard shortcuts. You need to simply press Windows key plus R key together, open run. Now type in regedit, then click on OK. On this registry editor window, we need to expand HK local machine, then expand system folder, then we need to expand current control set. Now expand control folder. Now from here we need to find out session manager. So here it is, simply select it, and on the right side we need to search for boot execute. So right click on it and select modify. We need to modify the value data, add auto check space /k:*C and then star. After that, click on OK and just close this window. Now right click on the taskbar, then select task manager, select run new task, then go to browse button and select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open system32 folder. After that, find out cmd.exe file, simply select it and click on open. Now check this box and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to execute some commands. So type all these commands carefully and simply hit enter to execute them. Type in sfc space /scan file equal to c:/windows/system32/ie frame.dll and hit enter. पप्पा जा बेटा तिकडे खेळ. काय बांध तुला. ठीक आहे तिकडे खेळा. Then execute this command sfc space /verify file equal to c:/windows/system32/ie frame.dll. Then hit enter to execute this one. Then type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply go to search bar, then type cmd, right click on it and select run as administrator. Now on this window we need to execute two commands. Simply type fsutil space dirty space query space c:, and hit enter. So you can see, then type chk ntfs space /x space c:, and hit enter. Okay, now type exit and simply restart your system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you are good to go.